In this video, I will show you how to make text letter manipulation with a free AI tool. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Creat. After loading with your email, you will see this page. Here you can type your prompt. Click on Creat button. It did Creat job. I will add this prompt in video description. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this images, simply click on Download here. I will add this prompt in video description. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this video.